Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever Cobb Park Spring Arts Festival. I've been asked to set up a demonstration booth of how I make mosaics, so here we go. I'm here at the Cobb County Spring Arts Festival and I've got a little demo booth set up. And I'm going to make a little bonus video of what I'm working on because you guys have seen it before. It's my SMALTI owl. Let me show you. My booth. They said I could set a few things up to sell, so I have that over there. This is where I'm going to be doing the demonstration. And here's my owl. So I'm going to set up my camera and I'll try to capture as much as possible, but I will be talking to people as they come by. And so we'll see how far I get. I'm hoping to get a little bit done, maybe right here or up in the ear. Haven't decided quite yet, but I've got my thin set and I've got to mix it up and get started. As far as I've got. I've been at this demonstration for, it was supposed to be for 2 hours. I've been here a little bit longer, maybe about 3 hours, and I've got quite a bit done over here on this side as well as this beak. I'll come in close so you can see the texture on that. I want to use bigger pieces, and then down here I'll be using bigger pieces as well. That's it. One last look at my booth setup, and then I want to take you around and show you some of the local vendors that are here today. There's also some music. Local vendors like this one, Bougie Critter. Hi. Hi. With all these sweaters. So cute. These things are like digitally printed. Nerd Out Crafts. This booth, Kate's Tasty Soap. She makes soaps in the shape of different food. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool?
Just in case.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Come over to your place and you'll make one of these.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Kate's Tasty Soap. Corn. Here's another vendor. Crochet by Millie. Hey. Did you make all these things?
Yes, my mom and I do.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
All these flowers. Look at these. And vegetables. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.